Difference between 4G and 5G networks. The evolution from 4G to 5G networks has brought significant advancements in mobile technology. Let's dive into the key differences between these two generations of wireless communication. 1. Speed and data transfer. 4G offers download speeds of up to 100 megabits per second in optimal conditions. This speed supports HD streaming, video calls, and general browsing with minimal delays. Whereas 5G, capable of download speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, which is up to 100 times faster than 4G. This allows for seamless 4K and even 8K video streaming, high-speed downloads, and better support for advanced applications like AR, VR. Takeaway: 5G offers significantly higher speeds, enabling new possibilities for data-intensive activities. 2. Latency. 4G has an average latency of around 50 milliseconds. This is sufficient for most everyday applications but can be limiting for high-speed gaming and remote control of devices. Whereas 5G reduces latency to as low as 1 millisecond, providing near instantaneous communication. This low latency is crucial for applications such as autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and real-time augmented reality experiences. Takeaway: 5G provides ultra-low latency, making real-time responses more practical for advanced technological uses. 3. Network capacity. 4G supports a limited number of connected devices within a network area, which can lead to congestion, especially in densely populated urban centers. Whereas 5G has a much larger bandwidth and capacity to support up to 1 million devices per square kilometer. This makes it ideal for IoT, Internet of Things, applications where many devices need to be connected simultaneously. Takeaway: 5G offers greater capacity, enabling smarter cities and homes with many interconnected devices. 4. Technology and infrastructure. 4G primarily uses frequency bands below 6 GHz and relies on fewer, but more powerful, cell towers. Whereas 5G operates on 3 frequency bands, low, mid, and high mm wave. High-frequency wave offers the fastest speeds but has a shorter range and requires more cell towers for coverage. Takeaway: 5G uses a broader range of frequencies and requires more infrastructure to achieve its full potential. 5. Applications and use cases. 4G supports mobile internet browsing, video streaming, online gaming, and apps with moderate data needs. It has paved the way for many mobile-based innovations but is limited for future technologies that need higher data throughput and lower latency. Whereas 5G opens up new possibilities like enhanced mobile broadband, eMBB, ultra-reliable low-latency communication, URLLC, and massive machine-type communication, MMTC. It supports smart cities, autonomous driving, telemedicine, and immersive AR, VR experiences. Takeaway: 5G enables futuristic technologies and is built for applications that require robust connectivity and speed. 6. Energy efficiency. 4G consumes more energy per unit of data transfer compared to 5G. Whereas 5G designed to be more energy efficient, providing better performance with less power consumption. This not only helps mobile devices last longer but also reduces the environmental impact of network infrastructure. Takeaway: 5G is more energy efficient, contributing to sustainability. Summary: 4G, reliable for current mobile needs, with good speed and connectivity. Suitable for most consumer applications but faces limitations with increasing data demands. Whereas 5G, the future of connectivity, offering higher speeds, ultra-low latency, greater capacity, and support for emerging technologies. Finally, the conclusion is, 5G is a transformative technology poised to revolutionize industries, enhance consumer experiences, and enable advanced technologies that were previously unattainable with 4G. However, full-scale adoption may take time as infrastructure continues to develop and mature.